What are red come from? What are red? Where red come from? Today we go to learn where red come from. Today we're going to learn about rain and where red come from. So let's go. So first thing we do, what are rain? Rain is a water made by cloud. So rain have a lot of rainy areas. So to listen. Example is Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, and Vietnam. And also have rain have a lot here. Example is Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Japan. And where rain come from? Come from a season of year. So if Australia in the winter, rainfall in countries Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, Japan, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. If Japan is winter, countries Thailand in south, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. So the highlight is this one. Why is in south? So if rain is now westing is in Luxor, so bad. So if you look, it's modern there. Here. They have rain a lot of from there. So let's erase it first. So my goodness.